What is up, chefs, foodies, and students? Welcome to Everybody Knows. I'm Anders. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get started. In this video, we are talking about the theory of the universal aroma wheel itself, specifically how to use it. Undoubtedly, there are more ways to use this wheel than I will think of, but we'll cover what we can. Let's have a quick look at our universal aroma wheel. We can see that its organization is in concentric rings that represent categories, each containing whatever lies outside them. The closer you are to the center, the more broad the categories become, and as you get to the outside, there are specific aromas or identifiers. It's also meant to be arranged in a general spectrum, with each identifier being similar in some way to the ones on either side. There are 4 general ways I have explored to use this wheel as a learning and culinary tool. The first is to use this wheel to start building a mental atlas of aroma types and a lexicon for identifiers and descriptive words. Simply by exploring and familiarizing yourself with this organization, you will have a better vocabulary and awareness for aromas and be able to better associate and structure the aromas that you encounter. The second way to use this wheel is to identify smells. If you're trying to describe or identify an aroma, starting from the center of the wheel, in the main categories, you can use the general categories to narrow it down, ending up with something specific on the outer level. This is typically how most aroma wheels are used for their intended products. The third way to use this wheel is to gain more language to describe a smell that you already know. If I ask you to describe the aroma of garlic, you might think something like strong, but most people just end up saying garlic. Well, using this wheel, you can start on the outer ring with garlic. So if we zoom in over here, we can actually see garlic right here. And every category above it will help describe that aroma. So allium, sulfurous, herbaceous, and finally vegetative. The fourth way to use this wheel is an evolving use, but has been suggested by many, and that is to map out complex aromas, like compound ingredients or entire dishes. For example, to map out a caprese salad, you would make notes of where each ingredient lies on the wheel and look at their locations as a sort of collective blueprint for that dish as a complex or group of aromas. If you think of other uses or applications, please let me know. And that about wraps it up. Here's what I would like you to do. Think about the universal aroma wheel and what we talked about. Did my thinking and logic make sense to you? Why or why not? If you would have done things differently, I would love to know what your solutions would look like. And what other questions do you have for me? I thrive on your feedback, so please comment any of the answers to those questions below and I will happily read them. I hope this video made sense and got you thinking about this universal aroma wheel. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to join the food aroma nerdery, go ahead and subscribe and you'll see all my latest vids. If you're interested in getting a poster copy or digital file of the aroma wheel I've created, there are links in the description. Thanks so much. Bye.